Hi everyone, welcome back to Pine Hollow Autel Diagnostics. It's that time of year again, Amazon Prime Days, end of June, and today I want to talk about budget bidirectional scan tools. Now, a bidirectional scan tool won't help you on something like this mint 1982 Toyota Celica Supra. However, if you own a modern car, there's no excuse in not having a bidirectional scanner, especially if you do your own maintenance or your own diagnostics. Banks, be quiet. So let's go over what we have on the bench here. These are my 4 top picks for 2026, and we'll go over the pricing, the capabilities, the updates, everything you need to know. Alright, so let's go from most expensive and most capable to very budget friendly. So we'll start with the Autel MK808S-TS. This is not just a bidirectional scanner, it is also a TPMS tool. You can program sensors with it. So great tool, and for a great price. Right now it's $560. More than $100 off for Amazon Prime Days. So on this one, if you want to keep it updated, which you don't need to do, but if you're working on late model cars and you want to upgrade the software, $245 a year. So not bad for what it does. For the capability, bang for the buck is amazing. So again, full TPMS service and bidirectional controls, everything you need. So let's now move on to the next in line. Next is our familiar Launch CRP919 Bluetooth. So again, amazing launch software, full bidirectional controls. As you can see, the Autel has its stand. This one does not have a stand. It does not have TPMS programming capability, but everything else you need, it's there. How much is this one? Less than $450. Amazing deal, and you get 2 years of updates. 2 years free update right there. And all these scanners can do the auto auth for Chrysler vehicles. It's a very capable scanner. We've had this one in the fleet for a while. Sometimes I loan it out to people, for intermittent problems, so they can have a scanner in their car while they're driving long term to collect some data. Very capable and also an amazing value. Very similar to the Launch CRP919 is this Kingbolen K7. It does have the Launch software, so same capability. You might ask, well, what about technical support? Kingbolen is kind of a newer company that licenses the Launch software, but this tool has an ace up its sleeve. It's $100 cheaper, $360. Lifetime updates. That is unheard of in this industry. So when everything else is getting more expensive in this world, scanners are getting more affordable. Lifetime updates, right there. So if you're doing occasional use, on your own vehicles, I would say this is the new best value for your money, since you pay $360 and then you never have to worry about updates, and it should just keep working. So there's only one more tool that's cheaper than all of these with almost the same capabilities. So we've looked at this little tool before. It's a Bluetooth dongle that interfaces with your smartphone by Kingbolen Ediag Elite. the competitor to the top-down, what's that little dongle? So all these are listed on my Amazon store. Top-down Top Scan Lite, $50. Right now, the Ediag Elite is $80. Now, what is the ace up its sleeve? Again, no subscriptions, lifetime update. This is the clear choice for, I call it a glove box scanner. Just keep it in your glove box. It can do about 80% of what a full-blown bidirectional scan tool can do. You know, it is missing some capability, obviously, like some key programming and you know, module replacement, syncing like that. But it can do basic bidirectional controls, no problems. It can scan all of your modules. You get a full code list, a full report, save it. So oftentimes when long distance customers reach out to me, I always request a full scan report of all the modules, so I know what I'm getting into. And I tell them, if you don't have any scanners, get this on Amazon and send me a scan report. It's quick, easy, very affordable, $80, and you get to keep the tool, obviously, for any future use. So this is a clear winner for on the road, you know, DIY. You get in a pinch, just scan your vehicle, full report. Amazing deal. So that's all I have for today. Budget scanners, get one during the Prime days. You won't regret it. Any one of these is going to serve you very well. And then, yeah, a lot of exciting stuff ahead, like this drool-worthy car behind me. And yeah, stay tuned for more. Enjoy the summer, and we'll see you in the next one. Bye-bye.